now we are here in Preston station, so we're just walking around and let's see if we can see the train inside. A bit silly the weather today. It's sunny again after the rain. Yeah, so this is the Preston station, guys. So let's go inside the station and then just have a look. Let's see if they have a train. I didn't think so. If we can see here by the window. Oh, there is, yeah. So that's train. So this train goes to the airport and other place. I don't know where, but yeah. So it's nice to catch up the train. So let's see next time. Let's go inside. Where are they? So Kelly and Daddy already gone inside. It's like a magic. So let's go inside. Where are they? So now we are here in the train station. So that's the train, and there's one coming that side. And this one here, this railway here, it's going to the airport. So now we are here in the train station, which is in Preston. Yeah. So we've been waiting for the train. Some trains is passed by already. We saw the big and long train. It's really cool. But they're all gone now. All the train gone. So it's very quiet, this station. It's a quiet. All the train gone. We saw 2 trains before. And now we are waiting. Hopefully we see more. But I guess it take time. Oops. This way? So we're waiting the train, hopefully. Alright, here it is. Be careful with Kelly, Kevin. So here it is. That's what we're waiting for, just to see the train. Here we go. Wow, it's really long. It's really long. Wow, very beautiful inside. Look at the inside, it's really nice. Very beautiful inside. You can see the chair. It's just like it's like inside the airplane. Wow. I wish one day I will go there. So we're not going anyway. We're just here to see. And look at the really long. So we are here in the train station, and we just have to see. Just take a look. Just take a look there. The train. We are not riding them. So it's really nice and really cool inside the earth, and very clean. I've never been here. No. Never ever. So I want to try that one day. I will go to London. Silly. And then yeah, I will go to London to visit the Queen. Charot, diba? So yeah. You know, the train station here is very quiet and just very few people because of pandemic. So people doesn't like to go. The pandemic, yeah. So they don't like to go out unless important, of course, you know. So everyone's scared. So yeah, very quiet, and as you can see, it's very quiet. Yeah, look at the train. Still stopping just in case for more passenger, but I doubt it. So yeah, it's really quiet. Just a few people here, and yeah. So where this goes to? Where they go? This train. So this train is going to London. Oh, see, one day I will go there. We'll go there one day. You know, the train station here is very quiet and just very few people because of pandemic. So people doesn't like to go.
The pandemic.
The pandemic, yeah. So they don't like to go out unless important, of course, you know. So everyone's scared. So yeah, very quiet, and as you can see, it's very quiet. Yeah, look at the train. Still stopping just in case for more passenger, but I doubt it. So yeah, it's really quiet. Just a few people here, and yeah. So where this goes to? Where they go? This train. So this train is going to London. Oh, see, one day I will go there. We'll go there one day. So now we are done in the train station. So now we are going to. We're going somewhere. Somewhere down the road. Somewhere over there. Yes, I can see it. So what is that? What is that? It's a digger. It's a part of digger. It's a construction things. So yeah, so we're going back home now. We're done here. Let's go.